Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning, I think. It's mass chaos in here. Not gonna lie. So the surface that you're sitting on has projects all over it. There's projects all over back here. And I'm about to go out to the shop, my husband's shop, his spray booth, and paint that chair in the color shift spray paint. Because I figure that takes a long time to off gas and it does smell a little funny. So if I spray that, come in and start work on other stuff, that can be drying while I finish up other things, including this number. Why did I want to paint pink over black again? Someone please remind me why I thought that was a good idea. It snowed and it's ice out there. So it rained, melted, and then snowed on top of it. So it's like solid ice walking out to a shop. My car is a turtle of ice. It's the only day I can get into his spray booth, and I need to get ahead for Picket next week. And I work an extra day at Picket this time to make up for Victoria being sick last month. Yes, I have to make up my hours. Okay. Let's just get after it, because it's not gonna work just to sit here and gripe about it. Hey, I got it. Nobody panic. I got it. Don't panic. Okay, so the plan is not to fall on my butt. See, that's what happened to my car in the van overnight. Head out to the spray booth and not fall on my butt. Okay. Coat 1 is down. Gotta wait 20 minutes. He doesn't even have coffee out here, guys. Okay, so I just flipped it around and got the first coat on the top, and then like 20 minutes to get the second coat on, and then go back up and work on the other projects. The last coat of paint just went on, so I'm gonna go in and do something else because it's boring out here. This is where I would normally abandon a project. See it? It's so hard to paint in there and get this even that I get frustrated. But that's not gonna happen with the 100 project 100-day challenge. We're gonna stay on it. Follow through and finish this project. Probably gonna distress this part. What I wanted to do with it was I wanted to do some Prima Marketing aging dust on it. And for some reason, it's just taking forever to get here. They're still blaming weather. And it's coming from California. So I don't know what the weather situation in California to here is, where now the entire country looks like it's back to normal. And I didn't order it until after the ice storm. So what weather problem are we having in California? I did get some Prima Marketing dust. Where'd you go? Prima Marketing Artisan Powder, but I had it in blush, which isn't gonna work on the peach. And I had ordered a blue because I thought the blue would look really cool in the grooves and crevices. So I'm still gonna be using this on something, just not that. Now I wish I'd painted that blue so I could use the blush on it, but anyway, I also have this little number. Remember this guy? Needs this paint to come off of it, so I picked up some citrus stripper. Gonna be stripping today. I think if I start distressing it, you won't really notice the fact that it's like, you'll just think it's the way it's supposed to be, right? Hopefully. See where it's not covering? We're just gonna do that. When you stumble, make it part of the dance, right? It's like, oh, I like it. It's looking real pretty. Real pretty. Guys, I'm gonna use it on this. So I did this frame the other day, and I'm gonna distress it. As you can see, I started it and then got excited. I'm gonna use the blush on the blue. So I finished this as part of my project on day 51. I think this was 51. I don't know. So now I'm distressing it. I'm like, oh, I got an idea. So now I'm distressing it, and then I'm gonna use the pink blush powder. Charlotte Blush, it's called. Memory powder, artisan powder. And it says you can do water application, dry application, and with mixed pastels. I'm gonna do dry. After I get this aged up a little bit. I want this to have like a little bit of the dark coming through. When I painted the whole thing, I kind of went, you really lose the detail of it. And I think with this, it's just another way to layer the looks. So we've got the blue, the dark, and the pink coming through. So it's another way to layer the colors. All right, I went ahead and did a second coat onto the little bits that were stuck in there that when I would scrape them didn't come out. So I'm gonna keep that on there for another 20 minutes and then it should be clean. And with that, the green glass is green glass again. Goodbye, icky paint job. Hello, pretty, pretty bowl. Look at this beautiful bowl. Why would you paint this? This is stunning the way it is. It did not need your DIY. You know who you are. You're out there somewhere. Got all the gold, all the red out of all the details. It's just pretty now. Now you're gonna go in the shop. You're so pretty. I told you I'd fix you. Somebody will love you again. I love you. But you'll find a permanent home with somebody now that you're pretty again. Pretty. Messing with it now. Decided to use the Wise Owl patina. Turned out cute because I wanted the blue in there. Blue that I didn't get shipped to me from Prima Marketing. I wanted the blue to show up in there, and I like the way that turned out. Very cute. So now I've got that one done, and I finished a frame, and the chair's drying. So I've got like 3 or 4 things finished now today. Yeah, because I finished the plate, that, frame, chair. So we're at 4. And I've got another frame in process. So that'll be 5. Gotta get ahead. Gotta get ahead or pick it. So that I can, you know, take those days and just be easy. Just be easy.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week, DIY tutorials, and of course, more Junkin videos.